like I work in finance. God bless, no, this not by chance. Don't dab me, you're not my man. Don't at me, you're not my man. Mama said don't buy it if you cannot buy it twice. I cop by the tools and I don't pump fake with the price. Always on the grind, I put in work with all my...
Guys, thank you for coming back to the channel. My name is LJ and you're watching NoClutch Garage. And today we're going to do something that's actually very simple and it's very inexpensive. It will bring the interior of your car to a whole new level. At least I think so. If you have an F30 or actually any BMW, you have the option of putting on the M Sport pedals, which are the metal aluminum pedals that come with the M3s. My car did not come with that option, and actually it is an M Sport, but the only M Sport part that's near the footwell is actually just a little rest where I put my foot because I don't have a manual. But I actually found online the pedals that I was looking for, and they were $130. Right below those pedals were actually a cheaper option, and they look almost exactly like the M Sport pedals, but they're only $10. So I said, you know what, let's go ahead and get those. I think people would be interested in them. If it's just for looks, I don't know how they are when you drive with them. We can at least put them on and see how they look. So here they are. This is what they look like, and as you can see, they look pretty identical to the real thing. Here's the catch though, you don't actually screw these on anywhere. These are actually slip-on. They'll hold on to your pedals pretty tight, but you know, you don't have to take anything apart. So that's the beauty of these. Let's go ahead and try them on. I think for 10 bucks this is a steal, so let's go ahead and see how it looks. So guys, you're gonna have to excuse my dirty car. I haven't had time to wash my car or clean it, and it's been raining pretty much all week here in North Carolina, so no time for that. We're gonna go ahead and try to install these pedals. These are pretty easy, they just kind of slip on. If you are looking, these are rubber and they come off the same way that these will come on. Okay, so this is what the old one looks like, and this is what the new one looks like. So let's go ahead and put the new one on, and you just slip it on there. So the trick is actually in the back. I can show you with this one, pretty much. In the back, you kind of have to lift these things right here and make sure they wrap around the brake plate. Alright guys, so I'm going to try to show you what the back looks like, and that's what I was talking about. These little sides, you just gotta roll them. So that one's on, and then let's go ahead and put this one on. This one's a little bit easier, it's more open. I don't know what the drivability is like with these on, but I hope that it's not bad. So go ahead and grab this one from the top, kind of slip it on all the way down. That one's on. That one was so easy to do. So that one's completely on. Feels sturdy. Doesn't feel like it's gonna come off. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it out for a spin. I wanna make sure that these brake covers are not gonna get in the way of my driving. I think this would be a bigger issue if it was a manual car. You know, having to switch between the brake and the clutch and the gas pedal. With automatic cars, you only really have the gas and the brake. So let's go ahead and take it for a spin, and I'll be talking to you as I'm driving. All right, we're in the car now. Sounds mean. Yeah, I like these pedals. I mean, I can already feel they feel a little different. So let's drive around and see what that's like. All right, now we're on the street. I gotta say, it doesn't feel any different, so obviously that's a good sign. My biggest concern was switching between gas and brake. I don't want these things to get stuck on your feet or anything and, you know, cause an accident. It doesn't look like it. They're staying on there pretty well. I know the brake one for sure is staying on there. That took me forever to put on. The gas one is kind of like it's cupping the actual gas pedal, so it's sitting on there pretty firm. I don't think it's coming off at all, and considering the gas pedal is bottom hinged, then it shouldn't be a problem. I like it. I think it elevates the look of my car, and yeah, I definitely recommend them. It's only 10 bucks. You can't beat that. And and it's a simple mod. You know, the interior cosmetic stuff usually is pretty cheap. So, you know, stuff like the pedals weren't cheap, so I'm not gonna lie about that. But now these pedals and, you know, anything else that's little that you might want to add is usually pretty inexpensive, unless you're talking about carbon fiber trims, and then the prices go up really quick. But anyway, guys, that has been it. I just wanted to show you this, keeping it short, sweet, and to the point. And if you like what you saw, go ahead and click like, go ahead and click subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.